Hi, everyone, and welcome to another edition of The Law Lounge with Silva with your favorite criminal defense attorney here in Los Angeles. Okay, guys, I get a lot of questions when clients get arrested, and a lot of people are really good people who make mistakes and get arrested. And they'll ask me, Silva, do I have to take this to trial? And what are my trial rights? And what is a deal? Okay, so let me explain. When you are arrested for a criminal case, you have an arraignment that's done in court. If you're charged with a misdemeanor, that means that you cannot go to straight prison. You're either going to do probation, which is informal, you don't have a probation officer. You'll do maybe some county jail time, and usually it's maxed at a year. You should not have to do longer than a year if you are, facing a misdemeanor in the state of California. A felony, those are punishable by state prison. Those are a little bit more drama because at first you have to deal with a preliminary hearing, and then you have to deal, if it goes after the preliminary hearing, you'll have to deal with prepping for trial or getting some kind of plea deal in your case. What's important to understand about the preliminary hearing is the preliminary hearing in a felony case, it's just to show that there was probable cause to arrest the person, which is very different than a trial, which is beyond a reasonable doubt. So always realize if you're facing a preliminary hearing in your felony case, the standard is really low. The judge is going to hold you accountable if the judge believes that the officers arrested you because they had probable cause. Was there a reason to arrest you? But if you take your matter to trial, the attorneys have to prove to the jurors that you are guilty beyond all reasonable doubt. And that is a really high burden. It's actually the highest burden in our court system. Are you guilty beyond any and all reasonable doubt? So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. This is really important in criminal law, and a lot of people get confused over it, even jurors. All right, you guys, please take care. We'll talk soon.